All right, so then your third premise, your conclusion?
So we have both good philosophical argument and scientific confirmation of that key second premise that the universe began to exist. From the two premises, it follows logically, therefore, the universe has a cause of its existence. Now, what is it to be a cause of the universe? Well, what we've said so far implies a number of striking attributes. This cause must itself be uncaused, because there cannot be an infinite regress of causes. So this must be an uncaused first cause of the origin of the universe. It must transcend both time and space, since it created both time and space. Therefore, it cannot be physical, but must be an immaterial being that transcends the universe. It must be a being of unimaginable power to bring all the matter and energy, space and time into existence in the first place. And finally, I would argue, this being is plausibly personal. How else can you explain how you can get a temporal effect with a beginning from a cause that is eternal and permanent? If the cause is an impersonal, mechanical set of conditions, then once the cause is given, the effect has to be given as well. For example, the cause of water's freezing is the temperature being below 0 degrees Celsius. If the temperature were below 0 degrees from eternity past, then any water that was around would be frozen from eternity past. It would be impossible for the water just to begin to freeze a finite time ago. The only way to get a temporal effect with a beginning from an eternal, permanent cause is if that cause is a personal agent endowed with freedom of the will, who can therefore freely create a new effect in time without any prior determining conditions. For example, a man sitting from eternity could freely will to stand up. And so you would have a temporal effect arise from an eternal cause. And so we're brought not just to a transcendent cause of the universe, but to its personal creator. So I think that this argument gives us grounds for believing that there is a first, uncaused, beginningless, timeless, spaceless, immaterial, enormously powerful, personal creator of the universe, which is what everybody means by God.